As Travis Kelce gears up to face the Raiders at Allegiant Stadium, his girlfriend Taylor Swift performs her final New Orleans show on the Eras Tour. The Chiefs, riding high with a perfect 6-0 season record, aim to continue their winning streak, while Kelce stays focused on the fierce AFC West rivalry and their quest for a third consecutive Super Bowl title. Travis Kelce, a pivotal force for the Kansas City Chiefs, arrived in Las Vegas with an air of determination, ready to face the Raiders, a team that handed them a rare defeat on Christmas Day last season. That loss, punctuated by Kelce's frustration as he slammed his helmet to the turf, marked a turning point for the Chiefs. Since that day, the team has remained unbeaten, propelling them to Super Bowl success and a fresh start this season with a flawless 6-0 record. However, Kelce isn't allowing past achievements to breed complacency. He's repeatedly warned teammates about underestimating rivals, especially divisional opponents like the Raiders, emphasizing the need for relentless focus. National Tight End Day holds special meaning for Kelce, who continues to embody the resilience and leadership that have solidified his status as one of the NFL's premier tight ends. In his words, every game is about pushing the team forward, a mentality evident in his recent comments following the Chiefs' victory over the San Francisco 49ers. After their win, Kelce reminded his teammates that the upcoming clash with the Raiders would be no ordinary matchup, citing the fierce competition within the AFC West division and the Raiders' potential to disrupt even the best-laid plans. For Kelce, the rivalry extends beyond individual accolades or headlines. It's a battle that demands a unified effort, discipline, and the willingness to adapt as the season progresses. Meanwhile, Taylor Swift, performing to packed crowds in New Orleans, mirrors a similar dedication to her craft as she wraps up her Eras Tour. Though she's not physically by his side, Swift's support for Kelce is clear, with the pair showcasing a balanced relationship amid their high-profile careers. Kelce's focus on the field and Swift's commitment to her performances serve as a reminder of the sacrifices they both make to excel in their respective arenas, a testament to their shared ambition and determination. Despite a season that has yet to see Kelce reach the end zone, his leadership and chemistry with the team have been instrumental in Kansas City's success. The Chiefs, with their eyes on an unprecedented third consecutive Super Bowl title, remain confident under Kelce's guidance. His next-guy-up mentality has bolstered team morale, proving that they have the depth and skill required to weather any challenges ahead. He continually emphasizes that the team's strength lies within their unity and ability to perform under pressure, no matter who steps onto the field. As Kelce battles it out in Las Vegas and Swift lights up the stage in New Orleans, their shared commitment to excellence resonates on and off the field. The Chiefs' journey towards Super Bowl glory is far from over, and with Kelce at the helm, the team's path to victory remains clear. Fans eagerly await the outcome of the Raiders' showdown, knowing that both Kelce and Swift are performing at the peak of their powers in their own high-stakes arenas.